Let's face it, unplanned downtime on your grinding equipment? Total nightmare. Lost production, rushed repairs, sky-high costs. But what if you could predict problems before they happen? That's where predictive maintenance comes in. Think of it like a fitness tracker but for your machines. Sensors keep a constant watch on things like vibration, temperature, and power draw. For example, a spike in vibration often means a worn bearing or an imbalanced wheel. Catch it early and you can schedule a quick fix during a planned break. No more catastrophic failures in the middle of a production run. Thermal imaging can spot a overheating spindle from lack of lubrication, while power monitoring picks up signs of a blunt wheel. Algorithms learn what's normal by analyzing trends, so the system can flag tiny anomalies way before a human ever would. The result? You swap parts only when truly needed, extending gear life by months. Maintenance moves from rigid calendar checks to condition-based alerts. Operators get real-time actionable insights, drastically reducing reactive jobs and improving safety. With historical data on screen, replacement cycles sync with the product schedule, minimizing both wait times and collateral damage. Yield per kilowatt-hour spikes. Reports zoom out fleet-wide efficiency numbers. Ultimately, it breaks into a roadmap. Intelligent assistance nudging auto-balancing prompts, factories adjusting feed totally locked by itself. Freight nightmares convert into ambient automated steadiness, equipping proper fine grinding. Adopt the insight layer under the dashboard. Toolroom productivity won't stop being alone. Dust spread any secondary bottle. Keep low-speed jitter way structured condition-based and margin grow significant sweet extra spread output annually. Unstop powerful grind mile brilliance closed weight work further minimal hurry waste metric efficiency headline visible upgrade period.